Welcome back to another video. In this one we are doing an unboxing slash first impressions video of the My Portable Bluetooth speaker that is currently retailing for 2100 bob. So this is the smallest model in terms of size. So if you want a larger model, you can get one that goes for around 5000 bob and is shaped more like a soundbar. So they have various options other than this one, but for today we are unboxing the smallest option that they have. So in terms of the specs, it's a Bluetooth speaker that basically it's waterproof and water resistant. For the battery life, it's quoted at around 10 hours. So I'll quickly take you through what to expect when you get these speakers. So inside the box we have the Bluetooth speaker itself, and it does look quite stylish. This is the texture is like matte black over here at the bottom, and at the top it's a bit of a cloth texture, and it's not very heavy, it's actually quite light. And for the size, as you can see, it easily fits in the palm of the hand, but it's not small enough to put inside a pocket or anything. Maybe a bag, or for a purse, maybe a handbag, or just a normal backpack, it can easily fit in that. And here it also comes with a USB-C connection port for charging. So this, you just pull out this plastic. I think it's plastic. It just helps with the waterproofing because it's quoted, the speaker is quoted as being waterproof and also dust proof. And here's where you connect the USB-C, and then this other port you connect it to. You will need the head of a charging port to connect this. So let's pair it to a phone and see how easy it is to pair. So to turn it on, you press this, you long press this button at the back. So long press it, then it has a jingle, and then this light starts flashing blue, so you know it's ready to pair with your device. So I have my Redmi Note 9S here. Let's just go, and then let's say we want to play this show. So to pair, you just turn on your Bluetooth, and then it goes and connects, and it's quite simple.
And unlike radiation and chemo, it comes with no debilitating side effects.
You can add the sound.
It's exactly what he wanted.
All right, Dr. Sharp gets it done.
Which is the difference between me and this trial, because precision therapy might not work.
And you can reduce, and it's actually quite loud. It's surprisingly loud. Advertisements lazima. Okay, another advertisement. So
Uhuru Gardens tuko jaba, wengine wako miti, zetu ni majama, zenu pikipiki, leo tunaenda kanan, beba zigi mingi, kakuna mamadam, beba sidi mingi, ni mimi hapo back left, paparazzi, wanifanya.
So for the advantages, I'd say it's a small. The size is an advantage because the speaker is quite compact and it's light, and also it's waterproof and dust resistant. So ideally, it should be able to survive very harsh conditions and serve you for quite a while. Now, for the disadvantages, when it comes to the sound, the bass is not that much. So let me just play one song, and you can listen for yourself and hear that the sound, it's loud, yes, but in terms of the bass it's not deep enough. Here's an example song, so you can hear that yes, there is volume, but the bass is not that much.
With that gun, he just pull it out in his pictures. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone.
So aside from the bass being a bit muted, the rest of the audio quality is actually quite good, and you will enjoy listening to music or podcasts or watching movies using this as a speaker. Overall, I would highly recommend this Bluetooth speaker, and so far I have been using it for 1 week, but I'll continue using it, and I will give an update on how it's been after a while. But so far so good. So we've come to the end of the video. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.